an introduction to the safety, security, and quality assurance (SSQA) concept. Let's continue the journey advancing food safety, security, and quality assurance together. Equipping, inspiring and connecting for food industry success. Failures repeat where practical solutions are overlooked. The SSQA concept is a radical revolution, but it is not a strange concept, nor is it completely new. The A, assurance, in SSQA is the mindset, commitment, and mission. Assurance is gained and confirmed internally, then shared with the 4 key beneficiaries that include the food business itself, consumers, customers, and regulators. The duty to assure rests on the food business, not on any external party, regulator, certification body, or auditor. SSQA is a reality-based and open-minded concept. It provides a disciplined approach to consumer protection through the implementation of strategic product safety and quality assurance controls. The SSQA concept demands ongoing confirmation of its value, efficacy, effectiveness, and efficiency. SSQA inspires and nurtures innovative systems thinking, critical thinking, strategic fact-based actions, the assessment and evaluation of real-life and real-time outcomes with agile responses that lead to continuous improvement in the front lines, not in the boardrooms. With her permission, Lily Steele, a colleague in Australia, once explained that SSQA represents taking things back to basics. The reignition of passion and putting the fun back into fundamentals. The re-establishment of why we do and should love what we do. A switch in focus from mere compliance. A commitment to continuous improvement. The streamlining and simplifying of things to maximize effect and efficiency. All food businesses are expected to implement programs that are built on good foundations as part of the key vision, goals, and mission. The foundations mean more than HACCP, GMPs, PRPs, OPRPs, etc. These are important, but they are doomed to fail without clearly established and actively pursued vision, mission, goals, and objectives that are desirable. Important points about desired versus desirable goals. All desired goals may not be desirable. Only desirable goals qualify as worthwhile pursuits for industry professionals and businesses. Everyone benefits from desirable goals. Only those who desire them benefit from desired goals. Some desired goals could even be harmful to consumers. Without following an approach like the SSQA goal-setting process, we find as follows. Poorly or incorrectly defined goals that are like targets in a state of random motion. Even when actions are aimed in the right direction, failure predominates as the guaranteed outcome. Instead of superficial and easily manipulated certification systems, SSQA follows the principle of end-user validation to ensure and confirm reality-based confidence. SSQA drives the fortification of an operations systems, programs, and products. Adopting operations establish credibility, recognition, and trust through the efficacy of implemented programs and assessed against the experiences of the product end users. There are 6 SSQA implementation steps. The 2 foundation steps include: Step 1. Establish the departmental and personnel responsibility structure. Step 2. Establish the product safety and quality assurance programs, systems, and controls. The remaining 4 steps, steps 3 to 6, are the action centers. Step 3. Team mobilization to action through tracking of exceptional success, teammates. Step 4. Entire chain engagement, NTCE, to persuade, develop, empower, and engage all partners in a participatory alliance. Step 5. Failure analysis and control tracking system, FACTS, with the drive to reduce undesirable incidents to zero, not as a destination, but as an ongoing commitment. Step 6. Continuing analysis of realized effectiveness and efficiencies, CARE. This is the Efficacy Measurement Action Center. It provides a continuing surveillance of the expected results and successes against desirable goals. The components of CARE include as follows. A well-designed and managed internal audit or review program for detecting opportunities for continuing success and potential causes of failures. By design, this is done with surgical focus and precision. A planned management review of all aspects of the operation to drive improvements right from the policymaking level. An integrated cost and benefit analysis for individual departments and for the operation as a whole. SSQA is a reality with inescapable positive or negative effects. It mitigates failure and risk for food businesses, professionals, operation personnel, and consumers. Industry professionals make the mistake of ignoring SSQA and expose themselves to the risks and lost opportunities. For businesses, a failure to deploy good strategies never goes without direct and undesirable consequences that cascade. At the SSQA Academy, we go through the study text and explore implementation ideas and tools with real-time application assignments. Workshops that cover sections from the implementation manual are scheduled throughout the year. Hope you've caught some of the energy to make SSQA a team affair at your workplace. Thank you.